She's everything you ever wanted. One moment. Did you capture it? Just let it slip. Yo. His palms are sweaty, knees weak, arms are heavy. His vomit on his sweater already. Mom's spaghetti, he's nervous, but on the surface he looks calm and ready to drop bombs. But he keeps on forgetting what he wrote down. The whole crowd goes so loud, he opens his mouth, but the words won't come out. He's choking how? Everybody's choking now. The clock's run out, time's up, over, plow. Snap back to reality. Oh, there goes gravity. Oh, there goes gravity. Choke. He's so mad, but he won't give up. Daddy, he knows he won't have it. He knows his whole back to these ropes. It don't matter, he's dope. He knows that, but he's broke. He's so stagnant. He knows when he goes back to this mobile home. That's when it's back to the lab again, yo. This old rhapsody better go capture this moment and hope it don't do it. Lose yourself in the music, the moment you own it. You better never let it go. You only get one shot. Do not miss your chance to blow. This opportunity comes once in a lifetime. You better lose yourself in the music, the moment you own it. You better never let it go. You only get one shot. Do not miss your chance to blow. This opportunity comes once in a lifetime. You better. Soul's escaping through this hole that is gaping. This world is mine for the taking. Make me king as we move toward a new world order. A normal life is boring, but superstardom's close to postmortem. It only grows harder, homie grows hotter. He blows, it's all over. These is all on him. Coast to coast shows, he's known as the Globetrotter. Lonely roads follow, he knows he's grown farther from home. He's no father. He goes home and barely knows his own daughter. And hold your nose, 'cause here goes the cold water. He knows don't want him no more. He's cold product. They moved on to the next move. Slows, he knows those and so got it. So the soap opera is told and unfolds. I suppose it's so partner, but the beat goes on. That it all that don't do that. Lose yourself in the music, the moment you own it. You better never let it go. You only get one shot. Do not miss your chance to blow. This opportunity comes once in a lifetime. You better lose yourself in the music, the moment you own it. You better never let it go. You only get one shot. Do not miss your chance to blow.
So gone like a light switch, burning back. There's nothing wrong with the way that she's working that. I just want that body back. Come on, baby, bring it back. I'm so gone, faded off a 30 rack. She's so gone like a light switch, burning back. There's nothing wrong with the way that she's working that. I just want that body back. Come on, baby, bring it back. I'm back with the passion, yeah, I got it in me. I've been waiting quite a long time for y'all to hear me. I'm about damn time you put some stock into me. You're either sponsoring me or fucking bothering me. And the fact is, we just practice on this madness. That is where it stands. It's like a canvas. Chances of advancement is enhancing. And this new expansion's like a mansion. Comes on till the lights go out, till my legs give out. Can't shut my mouth till the smoke clears out. And my high progress, I'ma rip this shit till my bones collapse. Till the roof comes off, till the lights go out, till my legs get out. Can't shut my mouth till the smoke clears out. And my high progress, I'ma rip this shit till my bones collapse.
Hey, Em, you know you're my favorite white boy, right? I owe you for this one. Your ass will get real long. You like my flow's been hot for so long. You thinking I'm a fucking ball off, you're so wrong. Radiation in my head, like a baby boom kid. Destination heaven. Sick political passengers from 9/11. The Lord's blessings make me lyrically inclined. Shit, I ain't even got to try to shine. Guns and seams twisted, tailor fitted my pain. I got scriptures in my brain like a spiritual thing. Straight out the book. Look me.
Taking over me.
gave me fucking issues and I hated to like, hated to love like a villain. I'm above like a ceiling, but I felt the bottom, now I gotta chug it, it's killing. To kill the stress in my brain and chest. Go to sleep as I motherfucking pray for best, pray for less, or maybe pray for more. I'm fed up, I don't wanna be a slave no more. To this world full of death, lies and hate. I'm your creation, put your fucking eyes on me. Look at me, please, believe or not, like Ripley. Speak these motherfucking rhymes as I rip these beats. Telling myself that I'm taking over, telling everybody else that it's fake, it's over. It's been great, but I gotta go release this off me. I can't wait, cause it's motherfucking killing me softly. Yo, I'm taking over me, I'm taking over life, I'm taking over everything that I have deep inside. I'm taking over me, I'm taking over life, I'm taking over everything that I have deep inside. Cause I'm fed up, so don't go fuck with me, fed up. I don't need company, fed up. They try to stop me, fed up. They don't know I'ma be fed up. So don't go fuck with me, fed up. I don't need company, fed up. They try to stop me, fed up. They don't know I'ma be. Yo, a fan of lyricists, I salivated to pun. I took my realest cues and elevated to one and crashed the game like a dummy. I came in a dummy, life is a bitch, so she fucking gave me a running. To be the best in this game, invest into music from the motherfucking brain and chest. Inhale and jest till I'm fucking frail. And yes, I'll be laying in the booth, fucking pale on face every day. Embrace like it's my last. Here's a little bit of glass where you kiss my ass. Lips hold blast, I fucking say what I say. My every single verse is like a safe palisade. It's my offense, and my defense mode is going down in waves like a deep end boat. I'm taking over this life, probe me, incite me. I'm taking over everything I have inside me. Yeah.